Do it again, Emmy. What sound is that? Duck. Yeah, good job. Can you do it one more time? What sound does a duck make?
It's a cow, not a duck.
Show me the sound the duck makes. Good job. Duck.